Namaste, welcome to Flying Crow Flow. Walking in place, reverse lace lock mudra, shoulder dips to alternately bending knee. Step back, take your lunging warrior, pull deep. Draw yourself up, stand to the sideline. Pull back, square your shoulder to the side. Take your side stance, arm bound from the inside. Step to lunge, take arm lock, thumbs forward, fingers spread. Draw seat back to flex toe heel and lunge again. Stand down, close the gap between your rib and your thigh. Hasta Baddha, bind the arms, lower hand grabs upper spread fingered hand wrist. Step up to a straddled stance. Release and repeat on the second side as we work our way up towards Birds of Paradise, straddled stance, reverse lace lock from behind. Alternate standing, shoulder to knee, step to lunge, deep dip, back inner heel down, pelvis forward, extend the forward leg like a pyramid pose. Pull up from the spine using the arms, step to the sideline, slowly lunge, dipping your shoulder towards your thigh. Do what you can, pulling your shoulders back, sacrum forward, sternum back, shoulders and hips on the heel or ankle line. Nicely done. Release, hand to the inside of the foot, head of the arm against the lower inner thigh above the knee. Reach up. Let the shoulders open your hip as it protects your outer knee. Shift into Hasta Baddha Pada, hand binds foot, or Baddha Hastasana, bound hands. Back of the lower hand to the hip. Reach around, grab the upper wrist, spread the fingers and thumb to make the upper wrist handle strong. Pull back as best you can. Step up for Birds of Paradise. Soften, bend your knees, shift into your standing free leg, heel as you press up, actually pulling your wrist to lift your chest bone and tuck your sacrum, and finally extend your bound leg. Release down, shift to the wall, lunge against the wall, let gravity take you into a deeper place, standing grounded foot on the sideline. Release, maintain your arm lock, hand on the wall, adjust your position. Squat and lunge into a deeper place. Free hand eventually presses the wall to support balance and stretch. Nicely done. Sacrum forward, sternum back, finally. Deep hip. Arm lock option, why not throw it in, pull back again and release. Counter pose. Bind your foot, Hasta Baddha Pada, heel presses to the pelvis like a tabletop, sacrum thrust forward, thigh pulls back. Forearm option, readjust distance from the wall. Forearm press, deeper rib shoulder option, and release. Nicely done. Quick counter stretch against the opposite wall, and there you go. Kick the wall, not really. Power press. As we shift towards Flying Crow, sequence preparation. Pressing top thigh, long spine, check the knees, squat. Flex, find, press. Prayer squat, feet wide as the mat. Palms between the elbows, shoulder blades back. Juice up the quads. Specifically cross the outer edge of the foot over the thigh bone above the knee. Flex the ankle. Sink into your deep seat. Find your squat. Prayer or hold the floor. Press up like a cross-legged crow. Flex the foot around the upper arm. Upper shin below the knee on the opposite upper arm. Step back like a dog and work your way towards the wall. And see if you can hold the position. Keep flexing the foot and ankle around the arm. And slowly release down. Nicely done.